All right, here goes Chad. See what his top speed is up Olds. This is the steep part of Olds, so a little bit harder. You're gonna lose a lot more speed here. It's not as whooped out though, because people like to go to the easy part of Olds where it's whooped out. I don't trust those brakes that much.
58.
You get 58 every time.
Yeah, I even tried downshifting.
Huh? Yeah.
But yeah, I just can't get her to go above 58 at the top.
That's funny. Because what's funny about it is everybody says numbers that are bigger than that, and we beat those cars.
Yeah.
That's what's the interesting part.
Yeah.
A lot of false claims there.
Like saying they're going.
I've heard a lot of
70 miles an hour at the top.
I've heard a lot of people say they did 70, 60, 65. A lot of people saying that, and we've done this 3 or 4 times now with the Maverick car, and the Maverick car is beat. I mean, it beats any stock car out there.
Yeah.
And you're getting 58. And we've raced a ton of stock cars and beat them all. So anyone that's saying over 60 is just full of it. Or their speedometer's way off, one of the two.
Yeah, one of the two. Speedometer could be off on
yours too.
Yeah.
You have a bigger wheel, so it's probably throwing it off a little bit.
Yeah, yeah, that could be it actually. I have a 34-inch wheel,
so
and stock is 32.
That is true. So you're probably throwing it off your gauge a little bit.
Yeah. Mathematicians out there, what would be the calculation?
We need to know.
Maybe we can ask ChatGPT.
Yeah, let's ask them. See what the loss of top speed was at the top of the hill. Just saved our bacon here. So Chad, you about died. You lost your whole entire insulin setup. Well, the container on the back of the Can-Am just did not hold it in. It popped out.
Yeah. Some people may or may not know, but I have diabetes, and so I gotta have a cooler bag at all times with the insulin in it. And these $400 cases
pop open
sometimes, and one of them blew open and my insulin bag flew out.
Probably doesn't help that I'm taking you on, we're taking oddball lines where we get bucked a little here and there on occasion.
Yeah, but it should be able to handle that.
Yeah, it should.
And they do clasp tight. I don't know what happened there, but so one of the things that I always complain about with the Can-Am is the freaking navigation system.
And this we took the Pro R. So we went back to camp. Chad lost his insulin, so we zigzagged trying to find the maps, and it was heck, as you can tell, because I took weird lines, so it's hard to follow those lines unless you like memorized them. But I just started looking for 2 tracks, and it made it a lot easier. But we just kept searching, and we went back, traced our steps with the ride command from Polaris, because it is legit. Because it's like, okay, what do we do? Like, we're not gonna be able to retrace our steps and find, like, there's so many tracks out here.
We're in 100 miles of sand dunes, you know, and there's it's a needle in a haystack. But Polaris, you know, they've got ride command, and it's the best navigation system.
Well, and it just automatically tracked. Like, it just automatically tracked where we went, you know, which is great. And so we kept tracking and following, and what do we got here?
Bam.
Looks like your insulin, Chad.
Rough and tumble.
It's not even, well, I guess it's a little crazy switchback right there, but not that crazy.
Yep, so I've got my
all your stuff's in there.
Insulin in there. There is still my testing kit. It's not in here.
Oh. Did it fall out of that little zip bag?
Yeah.
Oh.
It doesn't. Yeah. It doesn't fit in here.
Oh.
Well, it might be.
So it was in the back of that cubby too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, separately.
Yeah, I'll double check to make sure. I think it fell out too.
Maybe close.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't have a ton of fuel left, so I was very glad when I saw that.
I was worried about your fuel.
Cause I didn't refuel. It said I had a half, and then the second we took off, a bar dropped. I'm like, ah, crap. But we got it. Thank you for ride command with Polaris. That was huge. Saved your life.
It's amazing.
So we got the insulin, huh, Chad? You're alive and well the next morning.
Yep, I survived.
Polaris has saved your life.
Yeah, so
You owe them one.
we owe a lot to God first, and then secondly to Ride Command.
Yeah.
So without Ride Command, we couldn't have traced the breadcrumbs, and I mean, Dallin just landed right on it. We were coming up on the dune. I could see my insulin bag right across the dune. Dallin was following the tracks, drove right up on it. So the case, my blood testing kit's about this small. It's barely bigger than a wallet. And we couldn't find that. It was separate from my cooler bag. So we had to retrace our steps further, which took us to Oldsmobile. And we're looking all around, and everything is black. People burn firewood out there. All the coals are black. All the belts are black. All the flags that have blown off are black, and they're in the sand.
There's a lot more trash in the sand when you're looking for a piece, an item.
You start noticing how much trash is in the sand. So anyway, we're looking and we're looking and we're looking, and we cannot find it. And finally found it. Come over here. So tell us how you found it.
Chad went this way and Dallin went that way, and I looked at the whoop-de-doos on Oldsmobile, and I thought, well, there's nobody here, so that's probably where it fell out. So I just went back and forth across until there it is.
Bam.
And I found
Right there in the whoops.
I seen an A-Team neck thing, face cover, and then I seen the box, and as a bonus, I found a $20 bill laying next to it.
So Brent
That's a
rolls
win-win.
up on the testing kit, and there's a $20 bill with it, which is not mine. So if you want to go gold hunting, you might want to look through those whoops. You might
There's
find
20.
people's medical equipment and money.
and money.
Nice.
Yep.
So thank you, God, for guiding us.
Thank you,
Thanks
and
for Polaris,
thanks
for
for Polaris.
Ride Command.
Ride Command. It's second to none.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Did you see me go across and then go up? Tearing it up.
Alright, he's going sideways on the hill, and then just turn up. That's on China Wall. That's the impressive part.
Weeks. 20 papers, that's $2 plus tip.